Hey guys, Sapru here, and today's video is about how to replace Samsung Galaxy S2 digitizer. So first of all, you have to carefully and cleanly clean all of the screen. As you see, it's cleaned perfectly, and then try to put this thing on the top of that. So let's start. So let's put UV glue on the screen. So see, you should to make it carefully because your glue won't go very smoothly on the top of your screen. And as you see, you got a small form on the top of the screen. So let's take the tape out. We're making very interesting combination of white and a black Samsung phone. The digitizer is white and the phone is black, so it will look great after we will complete this replacement. If you have some dust on the screen, then you should remove it. And if you have problems with the scratches or the things which you unexpected when you got the screen, get some alcohol shampoos and remove unpredicted scratches from there. Then place the digitizer on the top of the phone. See, try to avoid the bubbles. Oh, there are a lot of bubbles. So we'll have a problem with removing it. But first try to spread it out on all of the screen. So it will be a big lesson for you because as you see, bubbles removal takes a very long time, and if you don't want to have a lot of bubbles, you should place the screen carefully from one side to another. Take some alcohol cloths and clean the screen again. And don't forget to remove the glue from the corners of the phone. Most interesting part, UV. light. And the better idea is to get a stronger UV lamp than we have now. It will be better if you do it for 10 or 15 minutes to make a glue to stick stronger to the screen, between screen and digitizer. So try to put the parts back, and as you see, the phone or the screen works now, and we can try the touch screen. Okay, and we'll try to touch it. Oh, and it perfectly works, and we made a great job. There's no lag, smooth run. Capacitive buttons works too, and we'll try a home button, which works too. So we can try some applications. Maybe a camera is here. Yes, it still works. So the last thing which we have to do to put back the SIM card, and voila, we will use this phone. So that was April Help and my colleague Thomas. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. Enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe.